Hi! Another sulit foreclosed property here in Lancaster na 40 to 50% below the market value at malilipatan mo na agad in less than 3 months malapit sa Metro Manila at airport. Yan din ba ang hanap mo? Then continue watching this house tour video. Hi everyone! It's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another foreclosed property tour, and for today, ang ipapakita ko sa inyo is our Thea unit here in Lancaster. Ang kagandahan nga sa unit na to, malaki ang frontage. This is around 60 square meters at may 60 square meters ka na rin na floor area. Malapit lang din sa main entrance ng community. By the way, may approved caretaker tayo by the bank na siyang nag-aalaga dito sa unit natin, kaya wala tayong issue for informal settlers or sa mga dokumento. Also, as is where is basis tayo, kung ano may kita mo sa unit na to, this gonna be the actual turnover as well. Sa laki ng matitipid mo, you can allocate that to renovate fully the whole unit. And kung makikita mo rin, napaka good condition din ang unit natin. Minimal renovation, repainting works, styling works na lang to, and good to go, may bahay ka na. And the good thing with our foreclosed unit, wala tayong reservation. This is through Security Bank, just complete your requirements. At kapag na-award sa'yo ang unit, usually 30 days yan, just pay the 20% down payment, and within 7 days, pwede ka nang makalipat sa sarili mong bahay. Kaya ngayon talaga, kung practical ka at gusto mo magkaroon ng sariling bahay without burning your pocket, this is a good option to consider. So paano? Tara, tripping na tayo para makita mo na ang unit na to, dahil ang bilis lang maubos kapag foreclosed unit na malaki ang discount. See you soon at paalam!